Dear friends, this is Malcolm from Mumbai, India. Welcome to my YouTube channel Life Changing Opportunity. In this video, I am going to discuss about the opportunity where you can fulfill all your dreams and desires. Friends, we all are looking for that kind of a system, that kind of opportunity where we will get a financial freedom, time freedom and bright future. But before moving ahead, it's a request to all the viewers to kindly subscribe this channel and those who have not subscribed yet, and also press the bell icon to get the more notification about this opportunity in future. So friends, let's start. I'm talking about an opportunity at a multinational company of South Korean based company which is named as Atomy. Atomy established in 2009. Atomy is a product-based distribution company that conducts direct sales in 18 different regions, including South Korea. And the company are growing at a rapid pace by implementing a consumer-oriented strategy with a $1.73 billion revenue. Friends, Atomy is Korea's biggest network marketing company, specializing in advanced cosmetics and health supplement products produced by Kolmar B&H and also researched by KARI, that is Korean Atomic Energy Research Institute. Atomy works on a mastered strategy, which is to provide absolute quality products at an absolute price, which is not only loved by over 28 lakh members in Korea, but also loved worldwide in among 17 countries. It's a very big opportunity for you all. Friends, if we see about the business model of Atomy, Atomy is not only a product-based business model, but also a combination of e-commerce and direct selling company. E-commerce, as we already knows about it, and we are using in a daily routine for the online shopping. So it's a consumer-based e-commerce platform like Amazon, Flipkart, etc., etc. In 2020, Atomy's annual revenue was $1.73 billion US, and our global members almost reached 15 million members globally. So friends, it's a very big market for those who are looking to join now. So companies select the favorable products that are higher in quality at more reasonable prices. Friends, if we talk about the product ranges, Atomy is having a product ranges in cosmetics, personal care, FMCG, foods and beverages, garments, footwear, etc., etc., where we can do an online shopping for all the products, more product ranges. And friends, if you're looking for that kind of opportunity, I am looking for that business partner from all countries, like maybe Australia, USA, Canada, Japan, Cambodia, many countries, where you can start this as a part-time along with a current occupation. If you are doing a job or business or anything or any studies, it will not affect your current occupation. You can freely join and start a business without any investment, and there is no registration charges. Free registration going on globally, India, South Korea and all other countries. So friends, I would like to conclude this video now. In future, I will come up with more details about profile, products and so on. If you want to know more details, subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon to get notification. And if you really like this video, you can share this video to all your dear ones, contacts, so that they can also join and be a part of it. And also you can like this video, and you can share this video to those who are looking for some opportunity to grow. So friends, you can also comment your name and location to know more details and joining procedure. And you can also WhatsApp, and I have given my WhatsApp number which is on screen, 7045530824. You can WhatsApp me your name, location. So next video I will going to make about this opportunity, where you will get the more details about it. So till the time, thank you, take care, bye.